Definitely apply for jobs. You can definitely do that. But in my experience, the number one way to get a job is to skip the whole hiring process. When I couldn't get hired, I started my own company. And that's actually what I encourage people to do because it actually fixes the chicken and egg problem. You go to these entry-level positions, they tell you to have 2 years of experience. Well, this is how you do it. You go spend $100 on a business license and you go launch a company. And even if that company that you build is not successful, the experience that you have is real. And you put that on your resume. The entrepreneurial mindset is how you stand out. Absolutely, 100%. Because most of us, we go to school, teachers tell us what to do. You go to college, instructors tell you what to do. You do an internship, senior people tell you what to do. So when you go to these big corporate companies, most people around you are waiting for someone to tell them what to do. When you're an entrepreneur, you can't think like that. It's not about looking busy. It's not about appearing polished. It's about delivery. Because if you don't deliver for your customers, you may not get paid. So the way that you think and the way that being an entrepreneur teaches you to think, it changes the game. For me, again, somebody with absolutely no credentials, I am continuing to progress in my career and I don't apply for jobs anymore. I haven't applied for a job in the last 7 years because recruiters come and get me. And so when I teach people how to do this, I want to teach you how to skip the process because the process is difficult. There's definitely things you can do to get through it. But at the end of the day, you need to be skilled. You need to have an entrepreneurial mindset because even if you're in a good, stable company, even good, stable companies sometimes go through bad times and you get laid off. Well, what do? If you have a skill, you can start a company. You don't have to wait for someone to hire you.